Yeah, hello amazing customers. We have done a beautiful design here in Accra, a place called Mine 7, and I'm here today to give you the quotation of the stone material, the quotation of the workmanship, and how many bags of cement that the customer has spent to design his face wall with a natural granite stones that is local, that looking nice and beautiful, as you can see. So based on these granite stones, you have many sizes depending on what you want. So this size is 4 by 8 and 4 by 10. So this size, here you use the 4 by 8 and the 4 by 10. So this one be okay. This one be 4 by 10, 4 by 10. This one be 4 by 10. All of here be 4 by 10. The sizes, yeah, and here be 4 by 8. They look similar, so if you don't pay attention, you will not see. This one be shorter small, this one be long small than this one a little bit. So that be the stone that we use for this face wall, as you can see. Okay, so let's go on the quotation. So as I come in the first day, I take the measurement of 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the 4 boxes I get is like 32 square meter or so. Yeah, 32 square meter. So you are going to do the 32 square meter times 600 Ghana cedis. A square meter of these granite stones is 600. So you have to do 600 Ghana cedis times 32 square meter, and you get the cost. You get the cost of the stone material, and the transportation cost him 1,000 Ghana cedis for the transportation. And one thing about this stone be say this stone good for your interior and your exterior, because once you have done, it's so smooth. You can lay these stones on your interior, your hall, your bedroom, your dining, a portion of your everything. This stone is possible. So I recommend you these stones in your interior or your exterior, wherever. So nice and beautiful. So now we get the cost of the stone material. As I was saying, 32 square meter times 600, you'll get a finger of the stones, and the transportation 1,000 Ghana cedis. And I think here they have involved a cement almost of 10 bags of cement, also almost 10 bags of cement. That also going to be 1,000 Ghana cedis. 1,000 Ghana cedis, as you can see. As you can see, so nice and marvelous. And now I left with my workmanship. My workmanship is bargaining. You bargain about the price, and we do a nice job for you. So just you to let us know how much you pay, and we will do the thing for you. So nice and beautiful. Bye bye.